Matt, and we're gonna rebuild my engine. It's a Subaru FA20. It goes on this beautiful car that is covered in boxes and has no engine in the middle. And anyway, I have my mini fridge and old washing machine as workbenches. We got some stuff put down to really just to protect the freezer. I've got all the specs printed out and organized. I can't remember what's in there, but we're gonna find out. That's half the block, and there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Gaskets, more gaskets, cool. Radiator, exhaust, and whatever's in here. So today, since it's Saturday, April the 6th, I'm gonna start putting this engine back together. And you're coming along for the ride. Right there. I think. And I think this is also where the video gets sped up. Okay, so I figured out these two are the block halves for sure. That's a head, that's a head. I've got piston rings, new, in box. I haven't measured them yet, but I will. I've got new pistons, haven't measured them, but we will. Of course, I bought a gasket kit. The car is getting old. I don't know where to put it. Alright. I think this is the middle gasket for mating the blocks. Actually, I don't think there is a gasket there. I don't know, we'll find out. But this says that it's the timing cover. I can believe it, so we'll be careful, but doing this with one hand is harder than it looks. Cut there, cut there. Oh, nice. Okay, it is just the timing cover, and my old oil filter's still on there. So, I have to ask myself the question, where's the crankshaft? Those are like the bridle bottom and the oil pan bit. It's kind of hard to explain. My crankshaft is not going to be in this box, but I want to know what is. Oh, this is hard. Vacuum lines and junk. Oh man. Okay, I'm not really interested in what's in there anymore. Got new halves, bolts. Those are torque to yield, so they're single use. Oh, and that's my alarm that I gotta go back to work in 5 minutes. So this adventure will end here. And, well, I gotta find that crankshaft. Alright, see you later.